Here we're foam rolling the calves. The calves often get tight, especially if you're doing a lot of jumping, running, even just daily life standing, or you're somebody that wears heels, right? If you're in that heel all the time, a lot of times the calf musculature, the muscle, I should say, in the posterior lower leg, can tend to get a little tight and tender often. So if you're noticing some pain along the Achilles or you're getting pain coming down from the back that's kind of going into the calf, this can often be a good place to work some foam roller mobility. And the other scenario would be if you're having trouble getting into dorsiflexion or bringing that shin forward on the ankle, kind of bringing that ankle position into a closed position. Mobilizing through the calf can be very nice. Just like our other foam roller techniques, we're going to find a tender spot. Once we find that tender spot, we're going to keep pressure on it, and we're going to move the ankle up and down for 30 seconds. We're then going to go to the next tender spot, spend a total of about 2 minutes working the calf musculature. If you run into anything that actually creates like a little tingle or feels like your foot's falling asleep, move off of that. There is a nerve called the sural nerve on the kind of the surface of the musculature. It kind of ends right where your gastroc, the outside muscle, meets the calf. I have had people that end up with a little bit of weird sensation that lasts 24 to 48 hours if they're too aggressive with some of these foam rolling or smashing techniques, if you will. So if you're getting anything that feels a little tingly, just shift off of it. There's probably a little bit too much pressure on that nerve on the surface of the skin. Okay. Otherwise, 30 seconds at an area, 2 minutes total, that'll usually do the trick. If you have any questions, make sure you let us know.